Dropshipping is not dead. But the dropshipping they sell you in courses, well, that was never alive to begin with. If you're still buying into the get-rich-quick dropshipping dream, congratulations, you're the reason Tate Lopez still rents Lamborghinis. Let's set the record straight. Dropshipping is the real concept, but not in the way gurus sell it. For example, big retailers like Walmart, Best Buy, and Home Depot, they use dropshipping all the time. Or appliance stores, furniture stores, fitness equipment sellers. They don't store every product. They forward your order to a supplier who ships it directly to you. But the difference here is they work with real suppliers and have logistics in place. They also have real, valuable, long-term contracts with their suppliers. And they aren't spamming Facebook ads for LED dog collars from AliExpress and praying for sales. And meanwhile, dropshipping gurus want you to believe you can slap a Shopify store together, preferably in 24 hours, and print money overnight. And you know who prints money? Drug dealers and money launderers. And not some kid selling plastic fidget spinners from China. Now, let's talk about the golden lie these gurus push. First, they post fake Shopify dashboards flexing their 100K a month stores. Then they tell you all you need is a course to learn their secret formula. And then they sell you a dream, knowing damn well you're never gonna succeed. And here are some reasons why AliExpress dropshipping or whatever DSers or whatever dropshipping was never gonna work and never actually worked. First, shipping times. More or less, shipping takes anywhere from 2 to 5 weeks. And by the time the product arrives, the customer already forgot they actually ordered it. Second, customer complaints. In most dropshipping cases, these China dropshipping cases, customer complaints skyrocket. Let's say you have a beautiful store and your customers expect Apple quality, but they actually get garbage. Then that leads to a third problem, which is zero repeat customers. Well, if I get a garbage from you, I'm never coming back to buy anything else or any other shit you're selling me. And then Facebook ads. Facebook ads costs actually destroy your profit. Or unless you're printing money like Grant Cardone, you actually can't afford it. And let's be real, the only people making money from AliExpress, China dropshipping, are the gurus selling you the dream. And have you ever heard some gurus say, oh bro, you just need a winning product, bro? Congratulations, you've been fed the biggest load of shit since Liver King said he was natty. But let's break this down for a second. If a product is winning, well, it's already too late. 10,000 other idiots are selling the same thing. And why would a guru give away his $1 million product idea to you? Well, because they only sell you a course. Dumbass. If you find the winning product, and if it's already a winning product and you're doing good, there's a big risk that your supplier might just disappear one day. Surprise, no refunds, no products, no business. The reality is, a winning product isn't a business. It's a short-lived gamble. You might make a few quick sales, but the second customers figure out they can buy the same shit on Amazon for half the price, game over. And now you might be like, they show real results. How can they possibly fake it? Thousands of these gurus are flexing their Shopify dashboards with, I don't know, 500,000 in sales, posting various ads about that and everything else. Fun fact, that shit is easier to fake than an Instagram influencer's ass. Ever heard about right-click, inspect element, edit, and boom, you're a millionaire. Everybody can do it. And even like when we're talking about Stripe, like you can literally find fake Stripe balance generator. Just Google that shit. You can literally fake anything online. Even PayPal manipulation. Like if you look at some of my thumbnails here, like you can see like that I can easily edit PayPal balances to look however the fuck I want. And even if their numbers are real, you must ask yourself, or actually them, how much do they actually profit? Oof, it's so fucking hot in here. I'm like, I'm all right. Fuck. But the truth is, ad costs eat 90% of the revenue. Refunds and chargebacks can literally destroy margins. And the biggest downside of this is that Facebook, which is like one of the main sources of advertising your products, actually bans accounts for sketchy products. And let's just assume that they made 100K in revenue, but after expenses, they probably made enough to afford, I don't know, McChicken and a slap in the face, probably. These dropshipping courses are nothing but overpriced PowerPoint slides that literally teach you how to set up a Shopify store with like basic ass theme, find a winning product on AliExpress or somewhere else, run Facebook ads using their bulletproof strategy, and just wait for the money to roll in. And eventually you get disappointed because after you do all the steps that they teach you, you get nothing. You're just a couple of grand shorter. And what they never tell you and what they never will teach you is this. First, retention marketing is key, because if customers don't come back, you literally don't have a business. Customer service actually matters. Otherwise, like payment processors like PayPal and Stripe will ban your account. Again, bye-bye business. And then branding, branding is literally everything. And I'm not talking about branding like slap some logo in Canva and, use 3 different fonts and that's it. Branding is key because if your store looks like it was made like in 10 minutes, no one trusts you. And if you create your store in 10 minutes or even a day, trust me, it's gonna look like it was made in a day or in 10 minutes. Also, they will never teach you that finding legit suppliers is critical. And not just some random dude from China or on AliExpress or whatever. And scaling, they will never teach you and they will never tell you this. Scaling isn't as easy as increasing your ad budget. Actually, that's just a quick way to go broke. And you know why they don't teach you these things? Well, because they actually don't want you to build a real business. They actually want you to fail and come back for another course. Or maybe have a $49 subscription and enter the real world where you have multiple bullshit courses. Now, if you're serious about making money, stop chasing magic business models and start learning how real businesses operate. Here are some things to get you started and what you should actually focus on. First, forget winning products. Learn real marketing and branding. Then study how real e-com brands succeed. Not just, some random stores, some random dropshipping stores, or some example that they show you in a course. Then learn customer retention and loyalty strategies. That's really important. That's the core of any business. Any business should have real customer retention and loyalty strategies in place. And then after that, build a brand. And not just a quick hustle. Literally build a brand. Build a brand story, purpose, mission, vision, everything that comes with the fucking brand. And ultimately, stop looking for shortcuts. If it was that easy, we would all be rich. So here's the deal. You can either, 1, keep believing in the dropshipping fairy tale and buy another overpriced course, waste thousands on Facebook ads, lose money, get frustrated, and quit, or wake the fuck up. Start thinking like real entrepreneur, stop looking for easy money, and build a brand that actually lasts. The choice is yours. But if you still think dropshipping is the key to financial freedom, I got a bridge to sell you, and it's located right next to Tate's Bugatti dealership. Okay, that's it from me today. So if you like this video, subscribe, like, drop a comment, and for fuck's sake, stop giving these scam gurus your money.